Hello everyone, welcome to R programming tutorials. So in this lecture we will discuss the print statement. What is the print statement in R programming? Also we will see the first R hello world program, and also we have to discuss about the comment lines in R programming and the keywords of R programming. So these are the topics that we are going to discuss in this video. Let's see, the first one is the print function. So normally you see any programming language like C, C++, Java and Python. So we have print functions. Like C we have printf, and in C++ we have cout, and in Java we have system.out.println. In Python we have print function, the same print function that we are using in Python programming we will use in R programming. So normally this print function which is used to print the values on the output screen. But additionally we have another feature of print function in R programming is, so we can pass an argument called quote. So if you pass the argument quote as false, then what happens is it removes the quotes values. So let me show you an example to understand clearly. So this is an RStudio IDE environment, and here this is an IDE environment, and here we can write the code, and right side here we have a console, and this console which is used to display the output on the screen. And if you want to write the code, go to file, and here we have a new file, and click on R script. Then this particular environment will be opened. So let me write first hello world program by using the print function. So I'm using print. So either you can use single quotes or double quotes to represent the characters or string values. So for example, here I am using single quotes, hello world. So let me use the double quotes. So just press Ctrl plus Enter to execute this particular line, because R programming is an interpreted programming language. You see the output on the console screen. You see right side. So here we are getting the output. So within the double quotes. For example, here we can pass a parameter that is quote. So if I give quote as false, so let me show you what is the output that you will get is. So you observe the output of previous one and the output of this one. So here the quotes were removed. So without quotes the output will be displayed, because here I have given the quote as false. So this is the way you can print the values on the output screen. And actually in R programming, so without using the print statement also you can print the values directly. See the output. So we can print the output directly without the print functions. So this is about the print function. And let's getting into the comment lines. How to represent the comment lines in R programming. Normally you see in C, C++, Java we have to represent the comment lines by using the two slashes. And to represent the multi-line comments we have to use the slash star and star slash. But when coming to the Python, so Python is also going to support single line comments and multi-line comments. So single line comments has to be represented with hash symbol, and the multi-line comments has to be represented same like C, C++, Java and Python, like slash star and star slash. But when coming to the R programming, so here there is no syntax to create multi-line comments. So it is going to support only the single line comments in R programming. And those single line comments has to be represented by using hash symbol, same like Python. So normally why do you use comment lines is, the comment lines which is used to explain the code, and to make the program more readable we have to use the comment lines. Also these comment lines will be prevented to execute means the interpreter will ignore the compiler or interpreter. These are the language translators. Ignore the comment lines when the program is executing. Let's see. So let me represent the comment lines here. Suppose here what I am doing is I am using hash. So this is the first program. I am writing the comment line. This is first program. Just execute this code. So this is first program. Here I have written a comment line. So let's execute these two lines. So to execute more than one line, what we have to do is we have to select the whole code and click on this run tab. So click on this run tab. You see here you are getting the output, that is hello world. Getting an output, that is hello world, and these comment lines will be ignored. So this is the way you have to represent the comment lines. I hope it is clear. And when getting into the multi-line comments in R programming, so in other programming languages, there is a syntax to represent multi-line comments, but when coming to the R programming, so there is no syntax to represent multi-line comments. Suppose if you want to write the comment lines in multiple lines, the comments in multiple lines, then you have to represent the hash symbol at the beginning of each line, as I have shown in on the screen. So we have to represent like this. For each line, at the start of the line, we have to represent. Also, you can use one shortcut key, and you have to select all these lines, and you have to use this shortcut key Control plus Shift plus C. Then it will be commented or uncommented. The selected lines will be commented if it is uncommented, and it is uncommented if it is commented. So let me show you. For example, this is a first program of hello world in R programming. So here I have been represented comment lines in 3 lines. So let me execute this particular code. Click on run. So the same output that you are getting hello world means these lines has been ignored by the interpreter. For example, I am selecting these comment lines. I am using the shortcut key Control plus Shift plus C. You see those lines will be uncommented. Suppose I am selecting the same comment lines and pressing Control plus Shift plus C. Then the comment lines will be appeared. And there is no particular syntax to represent the multiple line comments. So that we need to remember in R programming. Right? When getting into next one, the keywords. Keywords is also having the other name, that is reserved words. Means those words has been having the special meaning. It is already used by the programming, that particular programming language. You see in every programming language the reserved words will be there. And those keywords cannot be used as a variable name, also cannot be used as a function name. And here I have given a list of keywords, you just observe here. So we have almost 19 keywords here. If else, as we have seen in different programming language, if is we know, else is no, to check the conditions. Also we have while loop and for loop, and also we have repeat one more new keyword it is, and we know break in other programming language. As you know, true and false, these are the boolean values, and we have a new keyword, that is function in our programming. Also we have another keyword int, which is also available in Python, and we have a keyword that is next. Actually, in C programming we have a keyword that is continue, which means that which skips the current iteration and goes for the next iteration. The same functionality can be done by this particular keyword, that is next. And additionally here we have null and nan and na. So these keywords will be undefined keywords. We call it as undefined keywords, and this is an infinity keyword. So not applicable keywords, all these are the not applicable keywords. So these are the different keywords that are available in R programming. And you see if keyword and else keyword and repeat, while, function, for, in, next and break. So these all keywords we will use in control statement, and uh, also we can use in iterative statements. In the control flow program statements we have to use all this keyword. And also we have true or false. These are the boolean value constants. And we have nan in our programming, that is not a number. Nan means it is not a number. And null, it is an undefined values. These two are the undefined values. And inf is representing that the infinitive value, and na is representing that the not available. Suppose if you don't give you any value, so at that particular position if any missing values will be there, so automatically na keyword will be applicable in that particular value. It is used to represent the missing values. So these are the different keywords that are available in R programming. I hope it is clear. Thank you so much.